Technology is continually shortening the time in which things can be built. SpaceX is able to make a rocket in just 20 weeks. Boeing is able to make a 737 in just 9 days. And now, the company Apis Core is able to 3D print a small house in just under 24 hours. Here at Iowa State, students have many opportunities to work with 3D printers and other cool machinery. But college is expensive. And what's the point of all this cool technology if you don't get to use it with friends? We are Tau Beta Pi. In addition to connecting students and forming friendships, Tau Beta Pi awards scholarships to 45% of applicants, making college more affordable. Founded in 1885, Tau Beta Pi currently has over 600,000 members within its 250 chapters across the nation. Spreading knowledge through outreach, Tau Beta Pi hosts fun annual events and community service activities such as the roller coaster building competition, the Adopt a Highway program, and the Pi Mile Run fundraiser, where this year funds will be donated to aiding COVID relief. Tau Beta Pi also allows students to participate in fun projects that will look really good on a resume when you're trying to land your dream job. Our project was to learn more about the 3D printing process and share this knowledge with high school students. We will be walking through the process of CAD modeling and printing a piston cylinder, which is used inside engines. We will show the design process for modeling it in CAD, uploading the design to the 3D printer, and printing and assembling the final product. Before we get started, let's talk about 3D printing and what it is. 3D printing is the process of creating a 3D object from a digital design file. A 3D printer is provided with a specific type of filament, which is the building material for the object. Objects are printed as an additive process, which means that they are created in layers, starting from the bottom layer all the way to the top. The material 3D printers use to print with is known as filament. Filaments can be made from many different kinds of materials. The most common filament is plastic. You can also find metal, wood, and ceramic filaments, just to name a few. The filament can be selected to have specific properties, like flexibility or conductivity. 3D printing has many applications and can be used to build one complete object or parts that all fit together. 3D printed parts can be very useful for robots or pieces of machinery because they allow the user to make their own customizable parts. The medical field uses 3D printing for things like prosthetics, surgical implants, hearing aids, and dental molds. Organs can be replicated from 3D printing techniques that allow medical students and doctors to study particular aspects of the body or a patient's organs for diagnosis. In archaeology, 3D printing allows scientists to replicate objects that are then able to be touched and manipulated without damaging the real artifacts. Companies are also utilizing 3D printing for parts of consumer products, like the soles of some Adidas shoes. Let's take a look at creating our model in SolidWorks. CAD modeling is extremely useful for 3D printing applications. CAD gives you the ability to create a virtual model of your idea and helps you see what it will look like in real life. And because it's virtual, you can easily modify it and alter it however you want. Additionally, you can use CAD to take a completed model and break it down into different parts or views to better understand it as a whole by suppressing features or creating other section views. Here is the finished model in CAD. Once your CAD model is ready to go, you can export it to an SD card. Then, transfer the SD from your computer to your 3D printer. Turn the printer on and you are ready to start printing. Now, let's print our parts. Next, we have to put it all together. 3D printing is a really fun way to get your hands dirty and create something cool and useful. In this video, we walked through our design process. We showed how we modeled our engine diorama in SOLIDWORKS and how we brought our idea to life by printing and assembling it. 3D printing is an incredible technology that allows for low-cost, flexible part creation for companies. It enables individuals to make parts and mechanisms exactly how they want them without the cost and hassle of getting them elsewhere. We hope you enjoyed our short demonstration of 3D printing. Thanks for watching.